In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name on Ticketmaster 5 minutes. If you recently updated your name or just spotted a typo on your Ticketmaster account, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to update your profile so your account matches your current details. Keep in mind, this updates the name on your Ticketmaster account profile. It doesn't change the name on an already issued ticket, which can be handled differently depending on the event. Start by opening your web browser and going to the Ticketmaster website. If you aren't already signed in, look for the sign in option and enter your account credentials. Being logged in is important, so the changes save to the correct account. If you use multiple accounts, double check you're in the right one before moving on. Next, head to My Account. On desktop, you'll usually find this at the top right of the page. On mobile, it may appear under a menu or profile icon. Click or tap My Account to open your account menu. From there, choose My Profile. This is the section where Ticketmaster stores your personal information. Opening My Profile puts all your account details in one place so you can make updates confidently. Inside your profile, look for Profile Details. This area contains editable fields like your name and contact information. Click Profile Details to view what you can update. Now select the first name field, that's the field we're focusing on for this update. Click into it so it becomes active and ready to edit. Click to edit and type in your correct first name. Use your legal name if your goal is to match an ID for venue pickup or account verification. Avoid nicknames, special characters, or unusual capitalization that could create confusion later. Take a second to proofread what you typed so there are no extra spaces or spelling errors. When you're happy with the change, click Update Details to save. Look for a confirmation message or a brief success indicator on the page. If Ticketmaster asks you to re-enter your password or confirm via email or text, go ahead and complete that prompt so the change is finalized. If the page doesn't refresh, try a quick reload or sign out and back in to see the updated name reflected across your account. That's it. You've updated the first name on your Ticketmaster profile. As a quick recap, open Ticketmaster, go to My Account, head into My Profile, open Profile Details, select your first name, edit it, and then click Update Details to save. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you make your change quickly and confidently.